My dear students, now today lecture 2 zeta function. In this lecture we prove that there are infinitely many primes. We prove using zeta function. Let, if possible, there are finitely many primes. Say P1, P2, Pk. For each P equal to Pi, we have 1 by mod of 1 by P less than 1. So, there is a convergent GP. Which GP will converge? 1 by P, 1 by P square like that. And this GP will be converged at 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by P. Okay, next. So if we take one GP for P1, one for P2 and one for P3, like that we get K GPs and product all these GPs. We get this thing. This is finite for each I. So this total thing is finite. Now, these convergent series, these all convergent series, all consists of positive terms. So, they are absolutely convergent. So, they are absolutely convergent. It follows that we say that this is equation 1. We can multiply out the series of 1 and rearrange the terms. Okay. If we take a typical term P1 E1 from the first series, 1 P2 E2 from the second series, and so on, where each AI is greater than equal to 0. Then their product, कैसी product? 1 by P1 raised to power E1, 1 by P2 raised to power E2, 1 by Pk raised to the power Ek is equal to 1 by P1 E1, P2 E2, Pk Ek. ठीक है, will represent a typical term in expansion of 1 by the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, every integer n greater than 1 has a unique expression. Which is n equal to p1 e1, p2 e2, pk ek, where ei is greater than equal to 0. As a product of power of the primes pi. This line is due to fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now, what is the benefit of this? Since we are the only primes. Only primes, it must be noted that we take ai equal to 0 in case n is not divisible by a particular prime pi. यदि कोई भी प्राइम उस n को डिवाइड नहीं करता तो उसकी पावर को हमने 0 ले लिया. This implies that each n contributes exactly one term 1 by n in 1. So हर term contributes exactly one term 1 by n in 1. So the expansion takes the form I is equal to 1 to k. This expansion take this form. But this right hand side is divergent. This implies that left hand side must be divergent. Which is a contradiction. Because if this is convergent, so it's okay. We have already shown that this is convergent here. This is convergent. तो इधर राइट हैंड साइड यदि डाइवर्जेंट है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी डाइवर्जेंट होनी चाहिए. बट हमने ऑलरेडी बताया है कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड तो कन्वर्जेंट है, इसलिए होगा कंट्राडिक्शन. किस फैक्ट के साथ कंट्राडिक्शन हुआ? विद फैक्ट दैट the number of primes are finite. Hence, we get the number of primes are infinite. Okay, my dear student, do this. In next class, we study some new results in zeta function.